In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mic not working issue on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're gearing up for an important meeting or just trying to catch up with friends, nothing can be more frustrating than a non-functional microphone. So let's dive right in and get that sorted for you. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Fire up your web browser and type in the Microsoft Teams URL to open it up. Once the website loads, you'll notice the Sign In option prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Teams account. Make sure to double-check your credentials to avoid any sign-in issues. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to join a meeting. Navigate to the meeting you intend to join and click on the Join link. This is your gateway into the Teams meeting environment. Once you're in the meeting, look for the microphone icon, typically located on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a drop-down option next to it. Click on the mic drop-down menu. What you're going to do here is check out the available audio inputs. Sometimes the wrong device might be selected, and that could be the root of the problems you're experiencing. Next, you need to click on More Audio Settings. This will open a separate window where you can delve deeper into the settings of your audio devices. It's a handy feature if you're looking to fine-tune your mic setup. Now, let's test this out. In the settings, switch between different audio inputs. If you have multiple microphones connected, like a headset, laptop mic, or an external mic, cycle through these options and see if any of them solves your problem. Make sure each time you switch, you test the mic to see if it picks up your voice. To test, simply speak into your microphone. You're looking for an indication that your voice is being detected, which could be a visual input meter bouncing up and down as you speak. If you find a setting where your voice is picked up, congratulations. If not, you might need to hop back into the settings and try another device. Ensure that you aren't accidentally muted. It sounds basic, but it happens to the best of us. After ensuring you're not muted, other people in your meeting should now be able to hear you loud and clear. And there you have it. You've successfully troubleshot your mic issue on Microsoft Teams. Be sure to save any settings that work for future calls to keep your meetings running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you out in your next meeting.